Remember childhood? Those carefree days when making friends was as easy as sharing your toys or joining the same soccer team? It felt like the world was full of potential friends, and every new day brought a new opportunity to connect. Making friends was as simple as sharing your toys or joining the same soccer team. Adulthood, not so much. Now the dynamics have changed. We no longer have the luxury of endless free time or the simplicity of childhood interactions. We're juggling jobs, relationships, and maybe even tiny humans. Free time evaporates. Our social circles shrink. The responsibilities of adulthood consume our days, leaving little room for spontaneous socializing. Suddenly, finding friends who get us feels like searching for a unicorn riding a bicycle. It seems almost mythical, an impossible quest in the midst of our busy lives. It's not just our busy schedules. The challenge goes deeper than just finding the time. We carry baggage past relationship hurts, fear of rejection, the pressure to appear perfect. These emotional weights make it harder to open up and trust new people. Opening up to new people feels risky. The fear of being judged or not fitting in can be paralyzing. Plus, we tell ourselves everyone already has enough friends. But here's the truth. We all crave connection. No matter how many friends someone appears to have, there's always room for more meaningful relationships. It's wired into our DNA. Human beings are social creatures, and we thrive on connection and community. And building friendships as adults is possible, even if it takes a little more effort. It requires intentionality and a willingness to step out of our comfort zones. It starts with a shift in mindset and a willingness to put ourselves out there. We need to be open to new experiences and willing to take the first step. Ready to ditch the loneliness and cultivate meaningful connections? Let's do this. Embrace the journey of making new friends, and remember, every great friendship starts with a simple hello. Think about it. Friendships rarely blossom in the comfort of your living room. We need to create opportunities for connection. This means saying yes to social invitations, even when your inner homebody screams Netflix. Join a club, take a class, volunteer for a cause you love. These are all fertile grounds for meeting like-minded people. Remember, shared experiences are powerful bonding agents. Don't underestimate the power of online communities. Join Facebook groups, participate in Twitter chats, or explore virtual book clubs. These digital spaces can be surprisingly effective in forging real-life connections. And hey, remember that neighbor you always smile at awkwardly in the hallway? Strike up a conversation. You never know where a simple hello might lead. Remember that pottery class you've been eyeing? Or that volunteer group dedicated to rescuing stray kittens? Dive in! Hobbies and interests are natural conversation starters and magnets for like-minded souls. Think about the things that light you up, the activities that make you lose track of time. Joining a group or class related to your passions increases your chances of meeting people who share your enthusiasm. Bonus points for activities that involve collaboration or teamwork. Working together towards a common goal, whether it's building a bookshelf, writing a play, or conquering a challenging hike, naturally fosters connection and camaraderie. Remember, friendships thrive on shared experiences. So get out there, explore your interests, and watch your social circle expand. Here's a secret weapon in the friend-making arsenal: being yourself. It's tempting to project an idealized version of ourselves, especially when we're eager to make a good impression. But here's the thing, people connect with authenticity. Trying to be someone you're not is exhausting and unsustainable. Embrace your quirks, your passions, your unique perspective. There are people out there searching for someone just like you. Share your stories, your struggles, your triumphs. Vulnerability is a magnet for connection. It shows you're real, relatable, and open to genuine interaction. Remember, true friendships are built on trust and understanding, and that starts with showing up as your authentic self. Let's face it, putting ourselves out there can be scary. The fear of stepping into the unknown, the anxiety of meeting new people, and the dread of potential rejection can be overwhelming. We fear rejection, awkward silences, the dreaded friend zoning. These fears can paralyze us, making us hesitant to take the first step. We overthink every interaction, analyze every text message, and create worst-case scenarios in our heads. We replay conversations wondering if we said the right thing or if we came across as awkward. But here's the reality. Most people feel the same way. You're not alone in your fears and anxieties. Many of us are navigating the same uncertainties. We're all navigating this crazy world of adult friendships, hoping to find our people. It's a shared journey, and understanding this can make it a little less daunting. So take a deep breath and remember, you are not alone. Challenge those negative thoughts. Remind yourself that everyone has their insecurities. Replace, "They won't like me" with "I'm open to connecting with new people." This shift in mindset can make a world of difference. Shift your perspective from fear to curiosity. Start small. Attend a social event, join a club, or simply strike up a conversation with someone new. Instead of aiming for instant best friendship, focus on making a connection. It's the small, genuine interactions that build the foundation for deeper relationships. A friendly smile, a genuine compliment, a shared laugh, these small interactions can plant the seeds for something deeper. And remember, rejection happens. It's a part of life. But it's not a reflection of your worth. Rejection is often about compatibility, not personal value. Sometimes it's simply a matter of compatibility or timing. Not every connection will turn into a lasting friendship, and that's okay. Don't let a few setbacks discourage you from putting yourself out there. Each interaction is a step forward, a chance to learn and grow. Embrace the journey, and you'll find your people along the way. Small talk gets a bad rap. Sure, it can feel superficial, but it's often the gateway to deeper conversations. Think of it as the appetizer before the main course. Instead of sticking to generic topics like the weather, ask open-ended questions. What are you working on these days? Or, what's something you're passionate about? Can spark engaging conversations. Listen actively and show genuine interest. People are naturally drawn to those who make them feel heard and understood. Don't be afraid to share something personal in return. Vulnerability, even in small doses, can create a sense of intimacy and trust. Remember, building friendships is like tending a garden. It takes time, care, and consistent effort. You've met someone cool, shared a few laughs, and felt that spark of connection. It's a great start, but what comes next? Maybe you've even exchanged numbers. Now what? How do you turn this budding acquaintance into a meaningful friendship? Consistency is key to transforming those initial interactions into lasting friendships. Regular meetups and shared experiences help solidify bonds. Don't wait for them to reach out. Take the initiative. Send a quick text, suggest grabbing coffee, or plan a fun activity. Invite them to an event you think they might enjoy. It shows that you're thinking of them and value their company. Make an effort to stay on their radar. Consistent communication is crucial. Comment on their social media posts, engage with their content, and show genuine interest in their life. Share articles or videos you think they'd find interesting. It's a simple way to show you care and are thinking about them, or simply check in to see how they're doing. A quick message or call can mean a lot. Remember birthdays, offer support during tough times, and celebrate their victories. These moments are the building blocks of a strong friendship. These small gestures go a long way in building a strong foundation of friendship. It's the little things that often matter the most. Just like any relationship, friendships require nurturing and attention. They need time, effort, and a bit of patience. Be the friend you wish you had. Show kindness, be supportive, and always be there when they need you. And watch your connections flourish. With time and effort, you'll see your friendships grow stronger and more fulfilling. Moving beyond casual acquaintanceship requires vulnerability. This means sharing more of ourselves, our fears, our dreams, our experiences. It's about letting someone see our true selves and trusting them with that knowledge. Start small, share a personal anecdote, confide in them about a challenge you're facing, or ask for their opinion on something you're struggling with. As trust builds, you can gradually share more, revealing different layers of yourself. Reciprocity is key. When someone shares something personal with you, be open and vulnerable in return. This creates a safe and supportive space for both of you to be authentic. Remember, vulnerability can feel scary, but it's the bridge to deeper connection and intimacy in any relationship. Building friendships as adults may take effort, but the rewards are immeasurable. Friendships enrich our lives in countless ways, reducing stress, boosting happiness, and even improving our physical health. True friends offer a listening ear, a shoulder to cry on, and a partner in crime for life's adventures. They challenge us to grow, celebrate our successes, and provide unwavering support during challenging times. Remember that feeling of belonging, of knowing you're not alone? That's the magic of friendship. It's a reminder that we're all connected, sharing this journey called life together. So keep putting yourself out there, nurturing those connections, and embracing the messy, beautiful world of adult friendships. You won't regret it.